This no comical saga involving England all-rounder Ben Stokes and former West Indies batsman Marlon Samuels. I get from fool to more fool. Stokes basically referred to Marlon as his worst enemy. Marlon style back Stokes wickedly, and it spiraled now till all Shane Warne got involved and style up the Icon, and the Icon style him back even more wickedly. My question is though, why people have a problem with Ben Stokes saying Marlon Samuels, his former rival, is his worst enemy, and him don't like him? What is so wrong and disrespectful in that? I mean, Samuels will be Samuels and will overreact and go on with a bag of things like he did. But people talking about Ben Stokes shouldn't call up the Icon name and him diss the man and Ray and Tay. How him diss the man? You all realize that to this day, basketball legends Michael Jordan and Isaiah Thomas don't like each other, and them say them don't like each other, and that Magic Johnson and Larry Bird literally hated each other's guts during their playing days. I mean, we all hear people talk about a racism, why Ben Stokes called the man name and Ray and Tay. What is wrong with these people? How does so thin skin? Eh? You don't feel my skin. Feel my skin. Feel it. Feel it. You feel it? It thick like canvas. Sit down. You know what you call this? Alligator skin. Alligator skin.